Thinking Espacito! Thinking Espacitos! Thinking Ellis. I'm back with a geometry dash with the hardest level. This hardest level. See how hard this really is. No, it's actually very easy, bro. Like, why it's like so easy. Like, it's very slow. Look at this. Look, see, like it's so slow. 52%. Oh no, it's oh, I had to spam a little bit. I just have to spam a little bit. See, like just in swing gameplay, some memory part. A little spam right there. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. Alright.